Good morning, guys. Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. Just wanted to go over a quick few things here. We got 4 minutes until opening bell. Senate votes to acquit President Trump. Stocks are on the climb this morning. A lot of Q4 earnings coming in. Qualcomm, Zynga. I did a pre-market video that's on Facebook if you want to check that out. And then in the back here, you can see the top 6 stocks we're going to be watching today. We have Zynga, Snapchat, WWE, Qualcomm, Biotech, and Regeneron. All those are looking great here in the pre-market hours. WWE is pulling back, retracing about 10%. And just going to get the door here and get ready, guys. Let me put up the other screen for you guys. And here we go. Let's get started today, guys. Good morning, Geo Gaming, Jojo. Good morning, guys. Nice day yesterday for us. We made about 4,400 realized and about 1,600 unrealized. I'm probably going to be locking in profits on ExxonMobil this morning. First things first. Probably be locking in profits on ExxonMobil. Might also be locking in some profits on L Brands. That's up significantly. Remember I told you about L Brands yesterday? That's up another, let me see, how much is that up this morning? I think it was up 3% this morning. Where the hell did it go? I think we're going to be looking for some day trades on Qualcomm. Biogen here, BIIB. Let's take a look here. This one's having a huge move again. From 275 all the way up to 375 in one day. Yesterday. Looks like it's going to continue to climb today. We could be looking at that for a day trade. Got right up to resistance. That's definitely looking ready for another climb there. Let's see, Regeneron, REGN. Guys, I got some antibiotics finally for this nasal infection, sinus infection, so shouldn't be able to hear this too much longer. It's muffled voice. Zynga's looking great here. Here's opening bell, guys. Nice open. AbbVie's up huge. We're up big on our AbbVie trade, guys. ABBV. Let's put that up here. ABBV. What else? NVIDIA's on the rise here. Big climb for NVIDIA. Think I'm going to lock in profits on our AbbVie, guys. Sell to close. I just try to sell that for 320. Let's see. I'll go down to 315. Make sure she sells. Sell to close. $87.65. Let me change it to 320. E-Trade Pro here is so slow this morning. It's unbelievable. Previewing my order. It's taking 10 seconds here. Alrighty, guys, it just sold. You could see that was my order that just got filled for $320. We locked in $459.59 for the first 1 minute of the day. It's only 9:31 a.m. Nice. Bank of America, we're up 54% on that. We're up $1,100 on our Bank of America trade, guys. Take a look at this. Let me get you on live trade screen here so you can see what we're doing. What a move on Bank of America. ExxonMobil up 120%. L Brands is taking off here, guys. All right, I'm going to lock in Bank of America, sell to close. I'm up significantly on this one. Let's get it for 42 cents. Sell to close, place trade. Still hasn't executed yet. Order status, live, change. Let's see, I'm going to go down to 40 cents, sell to close, place trade, pending, live. Still not executing here. There we go, just filled. We just locked in. Now we're up $1,456.02 for the day, guys. Alrighty, next one. Where's our next victim at here? Let's lock in some more profits. Alright, the L Brands trade, I like it, but you know what? I got $5,000 tied up in it. It's not doing too much. Let me see. LB, what's it doing? It's up 16 cents. That looks like it's still going to continue to rise here. I'll hold on to it for a little bit longer. Looking good with it. NVIDIA. I'm going to exit our NVIDIA trade, guys. You know, I just want to get out of that. It's an earnings trade. It's not doing too much just yet. It's above both of our strikes, so we definitely could close it out for a gain. So let's see here. Buy to close, sell to close. How many contracts do I have? 20. Expiration, we have the February 21st. Okay, we're going to buy to close the 250. Sell to close the 247.50. Midpoint net credit. Let's do 1.40. See if we could get filled. I doubt it, but might be able to. I'll do it down to 135. Make it a little bit more realistic there. Net credit. Receive 2,700. Place trade. ExxonMobil, I'm going to lock in our profits on that. Sell to close. Let's see, I'll look for 72 cents. Sell to close, 15 contracts, place trade. I'll change ExxonMobil down to... She's dropping quick there. 66 cents. Just to get out of it, I'll get another trade, lock in those profits, move on. There we go. We locked in ExxonMobil. We locked in the profits on that. Now, our L Brands trade, market's pulling back a little bit here, guys, so I'd rather just lock in some profits. Sell to close L Brands. Let's see if we could get... What did we pay for it? We paid $450. Let's see if we could get $480. Sell to close... Let's see there if it fills for 480. It's not filling for 480. L Brands, will change that down to 460. All right, that closed. We locked in a gain on L Brands. Our NVIDIA trade is still open. Let me look at that, readjust that. Order status, live, change. Let's change that to 1.3. Place trade. And we're out of that as well. Perfect. All right, now what I'm going to do quick, Zynga is still taking off here, guys. ZNGA. I like this. It's looking great. I'm going to jump into some Zynga calls. It looks like we could get up to 690. So let's do something with Zynga. Let's go out a little bit further, though. ZNGA. Let's see here. Let's look quickly. March. I will look at the March 20th. 7 strike call is really cheap here. I'm going to go with that call. March 20th. We're going to look at the 7 strike. Nice volume on it as well. You could go with the 6 strike as well. 6 strike is actually pretty cheap there. Let's add columns here. Let's add the delta. This is one I'm probably going to want to get a delta of at least 0.4. So the 6 is pretty solid there. Let's go with, I'll go with the 7 strike. And I'm going to go with the 6. Rather go with the 6. Okay, so this is going to go for about 77 cents a contract. 10 contracts is going to cost around $770. I'm going to go with 30 contracts here. 78 cents. Let's see if it fills. Buy to open. It's going to be a $2,300 trade. Still not filled. Okay, let's cancel that. Look at my order status. Make sure that was not executed. That was canceled. Alrighty, so now what I'm going to do is go in for, that's at 75 by 79. So let's see if we can get 78 again. I don't like leaving it out there too long. Now she's starting to climb again. Still not filled. I'll just do it at 79. Get filled, done, and over with. Alrighty, there we go. We're now filled on the Zynga. We have 30 contracts of the ZNGA. March 20th, 6 strike call. We're in at 79 cents. There's a bid at 78. Ask of 80. We're in. I like that trade. First target resistance is going to be $7 a share. And then we're going to be looking for a target. This is for the March Expo. It just got upgraded to $8. So I expect that to continue to climb there. L Brands is taking off now after we just sold it. Fine by me. Let's see here. What else do we got? Qualcomm. Let's look for some day trades now that we could jump into. Alrighty, so let me show you guys what we did first with E-Trade. Let me show you the account so you can see what we paid, what we closed it at, what's going on. Guys, give this video a thumbs up if you made some profits and if you like these videos. If we don't get at least 50 likes on these videos, I'm ending these videos for good. They're just going to be on the website. Alrighty, let's see. Gains and losses. What's today's date? The 6th. The 6th. And here we go. Here's what we did today, guys. So this morning we locked in. This is from February 6th. February 6th. These are the realized profits, as you can see here. And what we did, today's realized gain, $1,627.75. Here's the symbols that we traded. Here's the quantity. Here's the opening transaction. Here's the closing transaction. The date, price, and the amount of that trade. And then here's the closing date, closing price, and the closing net amount. And then over here is our realized gain or loss. And as you can see here, the only one that we... Let me see. The only one we took a small hit on was NVIDIA. Small loss on that NVIDIA trade, which is fine. Let's see, ExxonMobil in at 50 cents, out at 66 cents. L Brands in at 450, out at 460. Bank of America in at 29 cents, out at 40 cents. AbbVie in at 273, out at 320. And as you can see, that resulted in a quick $1,627 gain. And that's just trades that we just got yesterday. All these trades are the trades we got yesterday, right? AbbVie, Bank of America, L Brands, NVIDIA, and ExxonMobil. Every one of these trades are the ones we got on live air yesterday on live camera on YouTube. Go check it out. And these were small trades. They weren't big trades. $2,700 trade. Here's a $900 trade. Here's an $800 trade. Here's a $757 trade. You know, and that $757 trade made $230. You know. So this is just one day of profit from the live trades we made yesterday. This is why I talk about the importance of following your trade plan, being disciplined, and waiting for the right trade setups. Because if there's not a good trade setup right now, why would you force yourself to get into a trade that's going to lose these profits that you're working so hard to make? You know, a lot of people, that fear and that emotion and the psychology of trading just gets to them, and it destroys their confidence, their trades that they make, and devastates their account. So it's really important that you guys are following a trade plan, being disciplined, controlling your emotions, and waiting for those right trade setups. So great day yesterday, guys. All the trades we made yesterday had a nice profit, except for that earnings trade on NVIDIA we made. Small loss on that, but up $1,627.75 from those trades we made. Great job, guys. Give that video a like, guys. I'm telling you, I'm dead serious. You guys don't know me. I'll end these videos, and I'm just going to post them on the website. No, I'm serious. I'm going to get the Vimeo. I'm just going to put it on the website then if they don't like it on YouTube. So I work hard for these videos, you know. Yes. I want to see those thumbs up. All right, let's see. Realized gains 2, 6, 20. I put these all in my documents here so we have them saved. Alrighty, let's post that in the trade room now. Let's see, add file. Trade updates. I just posted that in the trade room, guys. Alrighty, guys. Zynga's still continuing to climb here. Nice climb on Zynga. $6.75 a share, up 13.91%. Looking at Qualcomm. Looking for a day trade, guys. Guys in the trade room, are you guys watching the live videos? Zynga trades already in the green, looking good. We're sitting on mostly cash now. There's only 12,000 invested at the time. And most of that's on Groupon, 5,000 in Groupon. And about 2,300 in Facebook. And about 2,400 in Zynga. And about another $2,000 in some other things here. Guys, take a look at Facebook there. Jay just brought that up. Looking nice, continuing to climb at $2.11 a share. Let's take a look at the 3-month daily here. We're getting a squeeze between the 50 and the 10 SMA there. You see that? If we could break that 10, we're going to have a big breakout back up to around 223. I could promise you that. I really think we're going to get back up to 223 if we could break that 10-day right there at around 212.10. So we'll keep an eye on that. Take a look at Zynga. Look at that racing now. $6.80 a share. Continuing to climb. We're already up 2% on our Zynga trade. Paula got into that one early, so I'm sure Paula's having a heck of a time on that Zynga trade. Wow, look at Zynga. We're already up 6% on our Zynga trade. It's soaring now, 682. 10% on the Zynga trade, up $200 on that. Zynga is really climbing there, taking off. You want me to put it on the big screen? Or are you watching on your phone?
No, I'm watching my screen.
Yeah. Oh, you got your laptop next to you. Nice. Look at Zynga still continue to go. Let's see. Stefan said, Dave, you missed out on IRBT. I didn't know anyone told me about IRBT. Look at Zynga still continuing to run there. We're up 12% now on our Zynga calls. Did you get in that, Jay? No?
I hate Zynga.
I know. I usually don't trade Zynga either, but they got upgraded to $8, you know, so I got to take that run.
I used to be with them when they IPO'd at like 10, and I even worked with them at $5. They went down to like 2.
Really?
Yeah. So.
I think I got in with their IPO too, back when Farmville was big. Everyone was playing
and
Farmville.
Friends and they had a battleship game and
Yeah.
Command and Conquer.
Well, we already made a quick $300 on our Zynga trade, so if we want to take that off, we can take it off. We got the March 20th. Imagine if we got this week. We'd be up quite a bit more on that. We're over here. Alrighty, guys. So we're up 12% on our Zynga trade. If you guys want to lock in that 300, well, I'm up $300 there. If you want to lock it in, you can. If you want to hold it, you could hold it. I think she's going to get up to $8 by expo date, to be honest with you. Facebook still continue to run, 211 a share. It's having a little problem at that 211 resistance. Let's break through that, get up to 211.25, and then we could certainly be looking at the 3-month daily here and looking to get back up to that next target resistance between 220 and 223. So a lot of opportunity coming on Facebook if we could break through that 212.25 area. Zynga over here holding that 10-day simple moving average right now, up 7% on the trade. Josh, I don't know how to say that name, Wakaku. I made 120% on Zynga earnings play from yesterday. That's awesome. Great job, buddy. That's from the YouTube chat. I drive a Zamboni. He's in the February 21st Diamond 292.50 puts. RRLA says, looks like we have a bunch of freeloaders here with only 6 likes of nearly 60 people watching. Guys, give it a like. Make them.
I see 45.
45 what?
Likes.
Yeah, there's 44 now. Nice job, guys. You guys pulled through for me. Austin McConnell says, your videos are great, Dave. Good work. Thank you. I appreciate that. I work hard for them. I don't get much sleep. I can tell you that.
That's why you make the money.
Yeah, I make the money, you know, but you know what's sad, though, is like I don't get to enjoy it. All I do is I sit here, I order Uber Eats all the time from my favorite restaurants, so I don't do exercise. You know, like, what does money do for you if it's destroying your health, destroying your happiness? You know, my wife's taking Sophia to Disney today to Animal Kingdom. You know, like, I don't get to go. I'm live. You know, I make the money. You know, they spend it. You know?
You're going to have to trade from the park on your laptop.
Yeah, see, I you know, after having this setup here with the 6 screens, that computer, you know, like, it's so hard to trade off your cell phone or an iPad. I just can't do it. It frustrates the hell out of me.
I mean, you trade differently than me. You do it every day. But, like, I get into swing trades, and once I'm in my position, I just have to watch it.
Well, see, that's the... If you remember, before I started my service, I used to travel every month, you know? I'd make 10 grand a month, and I'd go to I was in San Francisco for, what, a month? I was out there, you know, during Halloween. I went to Alcatraz. You know, I was out there a month. I got a place on... They just started Airbnb at the time, I think. So I went on Craigslist and I found a nice apartment flat right off of, right by the park, that flower park or whatever, because I went down there. I forget the name of it. But it was beautiful, you know, and it was just a great time. And, you know, then once I started the business, it's like I'm hunkered down in the office looking, because when you have all these members, you know, you feel obligated to every day be searching for something. But that's what I used to do. I just used to find some swing trades, 2-3 days. I'd hold on to them and make a quick couple $1,000s on each of the trades, you know. I mean, I was going everywhere. Bahamas, I was going to Omaha, Nebraska, Chicago. I was going to Chicago quite a bit because they have a nice connecting, well, they have a direct flight from AVP Scranton to there. I'm just watching Facebook and Zynga still climb here. Looking good on our trades, guys. Account still continuing to climb. But, you know, I miss that. You know, now it's like, yeah, I work harder. I make much more money, but I don't get to enjoy it. You know? I mean, yeah, I got a Porsche. I got my pilot's license. I'm buying a plane, but I don't think that's much. You know? I really don't. I'd rather just be able to be, you know, like being with you guys each day. You know, that puts a smile on my face. And, you know, communicating with people in the trade room. You know? Let's see. Jimmy Levine said, Dave, I sent you an email when you get a chance. Where did you send it to? We're up 12% on the Zynga trade. Looking good there. Now we're up 13% on the Zynga trade. Zynga's continuing to climb. Stefan says, NTAP may be a good setup. Let's see. NTAP. I used to trade NetApp years ago. I don't like it. Not yet. Not yet, Stefan. It needs a couple more days of candles here. I'm looking at Qualcomm above here. I'm just looking for now a day trade, possible swing trade. We're already up $300 on Zynga. We're already up $1,627.75 realized. If we lock in this Zynga, we're up, you know, we're up $2,000 for the day realized. Might be doing that a little bit later. I still think Zynga's going to possibly get up to $7 today. You know, it's consolidating right now for a little bit. $7 by today. That's only 14 more cents. And then $8 by March. Why is that?
It's just crazy thinking about the IPO years ago at $10.
Oh, I know. Yeah, it hasn't done much. They don't have any good games though out anymore. No one's like eager to say, "Hey, I want to go plant my corn and harvest it later today."
That's why I quit. Is like some of the games that started to feel like work.
Yeah. Yeah, it really was. It's like you could come back and harvest your crops in 42 hours. There you go. People don't have the patience for that. Might be cool for a few months, but then they get bored of it. They really had a good thing though. They could have really spent that money developing new games, and then look at King came along with Candy Crush.
Yeah.
And that, I mean, I don't even think many people play Candy Crush anymore, do they? You play Candy Crush?
Yeah.
I don't play any of those games, but I always see people that are addicted to those. Look at our Zynga trade now up 15%. We're up $400 on Zynga now. Qualcomm starting to take off. There's that 1020 cross. MACD just crossed. Let me bring that up over here to the left. QCOM. Take a look at the today 1 minute, guys. If you're looking for a day trade, this might be it. So what we're looking for here, we need to break 87.55 to break through that resistance and possibly climb here for the day. So keep an eye on that. It's going to be a good one to keep an eye on. Jim, I'll give you my email address. My business email is dave@breakingchartalerts.com if you guys need something. Paul Santos says, Dave, what's your thoughts on space for April? SPCE. Ulta's on the run again. Remember I brought up Ulta the other day or last week? Mm-hmm. Son of a bitch. I really wanted to get into that trade. Look at it taking off now, up 4% today. Ah, geez, Louise. There's resistance right there at around 290. Let's go out a little bit further. This looks like this is going to really take off here. I like the looks of that. I should get into Ulta. I should get a day trade, actually, or something that's expiring tomorrow. That looks phenomenal, though, Ulta. Paula, you remember I was asking you guys in the trade room the other day about Ulta and then Square, right? Those were the two I said. Said, should I get an Ulta or Square in Sophie's account there? All right, looks like the market's retracing a little bit here. Ulta's certainly still on the climb, looking good. Zynga's pulling back a little bit here. QCOM still holding that 10. I don't like how Zynga's looking right there. Look at that big candle there. That might be pulling back. Some profit takers coming in. Let's see what Diamond's doing up above. DIA and QQQ. Diamond's taking off there. Look at the SMA cluster crossover, MACD crossover. That's looking great. Let's take a look at Q's. QQQ. Same thing today, 1 minute. What a big break out there. Look at how it's using that 10-day simple moving average. Let me bring up Q's here on the chart for you guys. Here's a today 1 minute chart, right? Let me share this on the screen so Jay can see it here. Look at right here. Look at how you have the SMA cluster, right? You got the 10-20 cross breakout, and then what happens? It came down to the 10 right here, broke out. Retrace, came back down to the 10. Now there's the big breakout. Now again, the 10's going to catch up around, right around here, 228.90, and then it's going to retrace and then bounce again. That's what we're looking for with our trade plan. That's the breakout momentum cycle and phase on the daily and on the 1 minute. So on the daily chart here, Q is still looking good. It needs to break that 230.25 resistance, the highs there, to have that next run. It does that. We could see 235 really quick. QCOM still looking good. If you guys want to day trade, look at that QCOM. 10-20 cross. We talked about that right when it happened. Still breaking out. I'm in quite a bit of trades right now, so I'm going to hold off right now for the time being, but nice. Tim Thomas said he's lost without our videos. He loves them. Thank you, Tom. I appreciate that. I'm sorry, you got two first names there. I called you Tom. Tim Thomas. And no, I did not close the QCOM trade. Nice EA move. That was another. Remember we were talking about EA Sports? They're saying in the trade room now, big move on EA, up 2%. Look at that right there, EA. Look at that chart. And we called it right around here, right? Right when it was at the 50. That really irritates me when I miss out on trades that I tell you guys about. That's why when I tell you guys about trades, do something about it. Just because I'm giving you guys ideas. Oh, Manuel Castro says, what do you think about MU, Micron? I like Micron. I was just telling Selena here about it. I really think we need to do something with Micron. What did I say that they were upgraded to?
Maybe 70?
70?
Yeah.
Okay, she's at 58 right now, so that's a big climb there. She got upgraded to 70. What was it? Was it a buy or an outperform?
It was a price target. Strong buy.
Strong buy. Okay, that's what. So they upgraded it to strong buy to $80. We could do something with Micron. Let's take a look. MU. I'd do the March 20th. Go out a little bit further. All right, guys, they're talking about Qualcomm call sweeps. Qualcomm call sweeps coming in. I was just looking at Micron. We got to get back to Micron. Look at Qualcomm taking off there, guys. Look at that run on Qualcomm. I'm going to jump into Qualcomm. I think I'm going to get next week's expo. February 14th. I'm going to pick up some calls here. February 14th expo. I'm going to pick up the 88 straight calls going for about $1.70. $1.69. Let's get 10 contracts. That'll be about a $1,700 trade. Buy. There we go, guys. We're in $1.69, 10 contracts. Qualcomm, February 14th, 88 straight call. We're in that. Cisco's up, Disney's up, Facebook's up, Zynga's up. Looking good today, guys. Nicely done. Nicely done. Look at Qs. Qs are taking off. Market's on the climb, guys. Market's on the climb. That's good. I'm going to keep an eye on Qs and Diamond and look for a possible retracement. If we do have that retracement, 10-20 cross or body of candle below previous candle's body, that's when I'm going to be taking the profits, logging them in, and looking for something else there. But for right now, markets are continuing to climb new highs here for the day and looking good. Great job today, guys. I'm going to use the restroom quick and blow my nose. I'll be right back. Let's see. David Rain says Visa's breaking out. Was. Visa looks good for a swing trade there, doesn't it? Don't you love that? Do you see what I see? You see that wedge?
Yeah, it's bouncing off it.
You got a perfect wedge here as well.
You muted?
Qs are still climbing off that 1020. Jerry Stafford said she just got out of Ulta. Wow, look at that run there it had since we announced. 290, it broke through resistance. She's going to get back up to 300 really quick here. Really quick. I want to jump into an Ulta trade, but I'm 14 grand in trades right now. And you know that we're probably going to pull back a little bit. Let's see Regeneron and Bib. Regeneron's up nice. BIIB. Another one. That one's looking really nice for a day trade or swing trade. Take a look at Bib today, 1 minute. You see that? That's 242. First resistance. And then 345. There she goes. She's gonna run. I should jump into a day trade on Bib. Let me see what the options look like. The option chain here. That's expensive though. The 340 strike calls for 540 for tomorrow's expo. Now, if I did something, I'd probably do the February 21st spread. Buy to open, sell to open, call, expo, Feb 21, Feb 21. I'd be looking at, I'd say 340, 345 is good. 235 to be worth 5. You're still making, less than 100% gain, but that's looking like a solid trade setup right there. If you guys wanted to make it. Qs are now breaking down. 10's going to cross below the 20 here in a second. It looks like the market wants to pull back a bit, doesn't it? Bib just climbed $2 in 2 minutes there. What a move. Still on the climb. It looks like it's going to have that next breakout cycle. She's going to get up to 242. And if she could break that resistance, she's going to get up to 345 today.
It's funny, that option contract you were just talking about is already up like 10%.
Which one?
The 340 strike.
Oh, for Bib?
It was 550. Now they're selling it at 650.
Yeah. Had a nice move. Wish I got in it. You know, I got so many open trades. I have the space spread. I have QCOM. I have Q put hedge that we had. I have Groupon. I have the Google earnings trade I made, small trade on. I have the Facebook 210 calls. I have the Disney 150 calls. I have the Cisco 50 calls February 21st. I have the Zynga March 20th 6 calls. I have the Qualcomm 88 straight call. You know, like, I'm in so many trades, and they're all longs. You know, I don't want to, you know. Oh, look at Bib running now. 242 it just got up to. That one's going to continue to run as they're racing for this coronavirus vaccine. There's no fucking doubt that Bib, Regeneron, and that other one are going to continue to run higher here. No doubt. Don't you think the same? If you're looking at the 6-month daily here on Bib, you know, and then we look out 3 years, you know, I mean, I really think we're going to get back up to 360 minimum for Bib, you know, and that's another 20-point climb. That's another 5% of the underlying asset. I think that's easily doable. So do I want to get in Bib, or do I want to look at Regeneron, REGN, and then take a look at this and look at 425 as the next major target resistance area? You know, you have 400 here, but I think that's easily going to get to 400. Another 19-point move. And then, like I said, 425 easily doable. 450 even. What do I want to do? So then I'm probably going to have to go up here, look at Regeneron, and do my research on it, because it's not a stock that I trade often. So you obviously have to do your due diligence. You're not just going to jump into something just because you hear it on the news. Got to do your due diligence. So let's take a look here. Okay, let's see. So Ed said, Dave, it's Eddie Santos. You never finished your thoughts on space. You got distracted. Okay, so let me finish that one quick. Then remind me to go back to Regeneron, okay? Alrighty, so let's take a look here. 3-month daily here. Looking good. It's holding that 10-day simple moving average. We got support right at around, you know, I'd say a good support is 1625. You know, that's pretty good. That's pretty solid. And we have the, what, April Expo? April 17th. That's fine. This is going to be much higher by then, in my opinion. You know, it's kind of consolidating a little bit. Still making higher lows here on this breakout. Still looking good. You're just waiting for it to continue to rise here nice and slowly. All right, so let's take a look at Regeneron, REGN. I'm looking up above here. You guys can't see it, but let's see. Next earnings date, 5/5/20. PE ratio 20.44. Not bad. They have all hold ratings, you know. Latest one that was a buy rating was from Hartaj Singh from Oppenheimer. He's got a low success rate, though. He's only right, you know, 50% of the time, it's saying. He's only got 2 stars, so I wouldn't listen to Hartaj too much there. But it seems like 352 to 450 is a good target for Regeneron. Average price target, it's 395.29. The high is 450, the low is 352. So Regeneron is at right now. What's it at now, Poppy? Yeah. You don't know? You're not looking at it? Thought you were.
No, I'm trying to type it.
So it's at 382 now, retracing quite a bit from the highs of the day. Starting to break out again. Let's take a look here. Do I want to get in Regeneron? Or do I want Bib? Bib looks like that could run huge again. That could have another freaking 10% move. Regeneron, I mean, it was just at 330. She climbs 20% from those lows. What do I want to do here? That's the question. I definitely want to make a trade on one of these. I want to go out a few months too, in case, you know, the coronavirus is going to make these ones climb like crazy. What is it I want to do? Zamboni's up 10% from the diamond puts this morning. Nice job. Guys, if you like these videos, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Love that. So Regeneron average price target 395.29. I'm looking at Regeneron down here, and then Bib right here, side by side. Gilead Sciences at the highs of the day. Look at these biopharma companies. You know, they're just rocketing higher here with this. I keep wanting to say Zika virus. It's the coronavirus. That looks like that could have a nice run tomorrow as well. Gilead. Let's see if they're overpriced. Now, see, that's something cheap that we could pick up for tomorrow or next week's expo. Let's see February 14th here. You know, do you want to risk it, though, for one day? That's the question. Salesforce, CRM, February 21st, 190 call sweeps coming in. Gilead, Friday, they're picking up the 6650 call sweeps for tomorrow's expo. 6650. $66.50 is going for $1.50 by $2.13. Huge spread there. Theoretically, you could put in for an order for $1.81 and get it filled. Guys, if you're enjoying these videos, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube here and subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notified. Please do that for us. I want to make a trade on one of these three here, but probably going to hold off. We're only an hour into the day. Bib is at, did you see what Bib is at now? 345.
That was fast.
Should have jumped into that, huh? When I talked about it. Anyone get in bib when I announced it and gave that trade idea to you guys? Did anyone get in? I'm kicking myself for not getting into the trade idea I gave you guys. Ugh.
We were talking about 137 billion. We were talking about the 340 strike before, or 345?
340.
Wow, that's worth 740 now. With an ask of 990.
Wow.
And that was 550 when you started talking about it.
Wow. Look at it now. New highs again.
It's got a big spread here, though. It says 6 by 990.
What's theoretical?
How I know.
Oh, you don't have that on yours?
Mm. It just tells me what it last went for. It was 740.
I think there's something in this cough syrup they gave me because it makes you drowsy. You think?
Might have a small side effect of that.
Promethazine. DM. What's DM? DM is for nighttime, isn't it?
No, it's just, it just means it's like the tussive stuff. Family meds. It just means the dextrometho something.
I always thought DM was for nighttime. Oh my God, look at Bib. It's at 348 now, 350. Look at it. Look at it go, Jay. Do you see it here? Oh my God, look at it running. Look at that going. Guys, I'm going to jump in Regeneron here. Markets are taking off. All right, let's see. I'll get to February 14th. I'm just going to pick this up quick, guys. February 14th. I'll go with February 21st. Let's say 390 call. That's going for about 8. That's a big move there. Now let's do next week's expo. Let's see what that's going for. I want to give you guys something you could do. 6.00 buy to open. Yeah, we'll get. So $6, 10 contracts. That's going to be a $6,000 trade. I'll do 7. There we go. I'm in it, guys. I'm in at $6 a contract. Regeneron February 14th. 390 straight calls.
Spirit Airlines now says it will be anticipating a late fall return of Boeing 737.
Wow, a late fall return now for the Boeing 737 coming back. Did you just hear that?
Yeah.
It was spring before, right? Now it's late fall, they're saying, for the 737. Who the hell is going to want to get on one of those planes after it's been down for 2 years?
Not me.
I mean, me neither. I'd rather hire a private jet than getting on one of those Boeings. Alrighty, guys, our Regeneron trade's now in the green. We're taking off here. Regeneron's taking off. Looking good. Looking good. I think we should easily get to 390 today. Keep an eye on that. Alrighty, guys. I think we did a good job for today. We got in Regeneron, Qualcomm, Zynga, and we're looking good here. So that's still continuing to take off there. Regeneron's still climbing. There's a nice climb for Regeneron. We're now up 5% on our Regeneron calls. Did you get in Regeneron? Yeah? Nice. Ooh, there she goes again. The bid and the ask are getting tighter and climbing there. $6 by $6.40 now. Qs are starting to climb. There's a 1020 cross on QQQ. Look for 229.25 as target resistance for Qs. If it could break that 229.25, good chance we're going to take off and climb from there for the days. There goes Regeneron, now up 7%. Now up $300 on our Regeneron trade already. Nicely done. Wow, there we go. We're up 10% on Regeneron, $400 profit. She's continuing to run, guys. There she goes, 386.20, and breaking out in this next breakout momentum phase here. Let's see. I'm now up 10%, up $420 on the Regeneron trade we just made. Take a look. Take a looky. Nice trade there, guys. Oh, let me refresh it. We're up now 12% on Regeneron, $500 profit. There she is. 7 contracts, Regeneron, February 14th, 2020. 390 strike calls, up 11.57%. We paid $6. They're at 660 by 680, midpoint 670. That's $70 a contract. 70, multiply that by 7. That's a $490 gain, minus commissions. Very nicely done there, guys. That's how quick you can make $500. And that was what? How many minutes, Jay? 5 minutes. There goes our QCOM trade we just made. We are now in the green on our QCOM trade. Did you get in QCOM as well? No?
Oh, QCOM, yes.
Yeah?
I thought you said Qs.
Oh, no. I didn't make a Qs trade. Look at Regeneron there. It looks like it wants to have another candle. Look at BIB, how it's holding that 10-day simple moving average so well on the 1-minute today chart. Nice climb off of that. There goes Regeneron again. 640 by $7 now. It's at $7 ask. There we go, guys. We're now up 13%, up $530 on the Regeneron trade. Regeneron 390 straight call, up 12.4%. We paid $6. They're at 650 by $7, up $521.39 on Regeneron. And that was 5 minutes. You could literally make a hell of a living here if you're patient and disciplined. That's why, like, I don't like being forced by members when they're in trade with Dave. Why aren't you live? Why? If there's nothing going on, I'm not going to force it. Because when I'm live or something, I feel like I'm forced to, hey, like, okay, I got to find them a trade setup. Let me, and then you get forced, and it's not a good market condition. So you really got to be patient and disciplined and wait for those setups. Look at Q's taking off new highs. It broke out of that 229.25 we were talking about. It's at 229. Well, just pulled back there. It was at 229.30. Now it's at 229.25. Continuing to climb there. Nice, strong breakout. I'm expecting the markets to continue to climb here. But, I love when I just get the feel for the market, see what's going on in the economy with politics, with earnings, and how the general market's taking the current market conditions. There we go. There goes Regeneron again, now up $600 on that. Wow, she's continuing to run. There's 15%. Wow, we're now up 15%, $630 on Regeneron. Look at that trade, guys. Up 15% on Regeneron, up $626.39 on that trade we just made live 5 minutes ago. QCOM's up over 2%, up 2.35 now. It's another trade we just made. Looking good, guys. Very happy and pleased with our trades. Doing well. There goes Regeneron again. 16%. And QCOM starting to take off as well here. Regeneron's now up 20%. Up $800 on Regeneron. Wow, guys, there we go. Regeneron up 21% now, up almost $900 on Regeneron. Qualcomm up 2. Wow, look at that breakout. I'm now up 25% on Regeneron, 6% on Qualcomm. Guys, look. Wow, Regeneron now up 30%. Up $1,200 on Regeneron. Up $1,300 on Regeneron. She is moving quick. Look at those gains, guys. We're up 28.22% on Regeneron, up $1,186.39. And on Qualcomm, we're up $149.84. And you know what? I could hold Regeneron. I could hold it if I want to. All right, I just sold Regeneron, guys. I sold it for $770 a contract. It's at $740 by 8. I just locked in some massive profits right there. Okay, now Qualcomm, we have the February 14th 88 strike. We're up $200 on it. It's not much, you know. Probably use that for dinner tonight. Here we go. 186, sell to close. Boom, she boom. 10 contracts. And she didn't fill yet. 181 by 186. She's pulling back a little bit there. Let me just change that around. Order status. Let's go down here. Go to the live order. Change. Let's put that at 184. Yeah, it should be good. Alrighty, place trade. And still not locked in. 179 by 184 now. 180 by 184. Change. We'll get that down to, okay, it just closed. It just executed while I was changing it. Completed. Alrighty, guys, let me give you guys the live E-Trade totals here for today, and then I'm heading off here. Let's see what we did. Sold Regeneron right there at that perfect candle, the 1040 candle. Now she retraced. Oh, what a beautiful job on that. Alrighty, guys, here's the totals for today. And it's only 10:42. That's an hour into the day, right? An hour and 12 minutes into the day. Am I right or am I wrong? Any of you guys going to answer me in the office here?
Yes, you are right.
Huh?
It's been less than an hour.
Okay, so it's been less than an hour since we made these trades, right? And here they are. February 6th. February 6th. Total realized gain. $2,950.01 in an hour of trading. Here's the opening transaction. Here's the closing transaction. Here's the ones from yesterday. And then these ones here are from today. That were some day trades we made. Regeneron trade, we were in at 6, out at 770. 7.7, divide that by 6. That's a quick 28.33% return on the Regeneron trade. Well done on that. And then you guys could see the other trades there. The Qualcomm trade, beautiful, quick $150. You know, what a day. Really great day, guys. I'm done. I'm off for the day. If you guys need anything, just let me know. And happy to help you guys. Let me show you guys one more thing here. This is what we're up for the week. Let me save this one here. Let me share this in the trade room. Where else can you guys make $3 grand like that though so quick? Now let me show you guys what we did for the week here so far. And then we're only 3 days into the week. So in 3 days, we managed to make a profit of $7,429.10. That's in 3 days. From February 3rd to February 6th. Here's the opening transactions. Here's the closing transactions. Now, guys here in the office, what website is this I'm on? Tell them.
E-Trade.
E-Trade? Jay, is this E-Trade?
Yeah.
Is this a fake account?
Of course not.
Okay.
I wouldn't be here if it was.
Exactly. So here is straight from the account, guys. $7,429.10 from February 3rd to February 6th. You don't find other people sharing their accounts like this. You know, we strive for transparency and honesty and helping people become better traders. So watch who you're following out there, because there's a lot of fake accounts I'm seeing, and a lot of people that are just trying to build a following on social media using fake accounts. They have no idea what the hell they're doing. So if you guys need help, you can message me, Dave@breakingchartalerts.com. And if you guys need anything in the trade room, I'm now going to transition to the trade room for the day and work on the website. Great day today, guys. Well done, and I will see you guys in the trade room. If you guys want to come join us, go to www.breakingchartalerts.com, and you guys could come join us in the trade room right here. So come join us, guys, and we'll be happy to see you in the trade room. Take care, guys. Have a great day, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Bye-bye. K Money is the worst. I know what he's got going on. Also, I know what others have going on too, guys. I'm telling you. Watch the Facebook groups you guys are in, because I know the Facebook groups that most of you post in, that is a big fraud. I'm telling you guys. I know what they do. So just be careful. You know, I mean, you guys see our trades. We're live on video every day. So, you know, there's nothing you can do to beat that. Alrighty, guys, if you need me and if you want to go to our website, breakingchartalerts.com, go to the website, sign up, and then once you get signed up on the website, then you could go to the App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple iStore. I don't know what it's called, Apple App Store, whatever it's called there. You could download our trading app, Breaking Chart Alerts. Download our trading app. But first, you have to sign up on the website. You can't sign up on the app. So sign up on the website, make membership. Then you can download the app for free, and you guys could go about. We send push notifications directly to your cell phone. And if you need help with anything, just message us on our Facebook page, Breaking Chart Alerts. And I'm in both rooms, Santarelli Trading Exchange and Breaking Chart Alerts if you need anything, guys. All right, and if you sign up at BreakingChartAlerts.com, use promo code LOYAL. That'll give you 30% off, grandfathered in for the lifetime of that subscription. Alrighty, guys, take care. God bless, and I will see you guys in the trade room. Those that are just on YouTube, we'll see you tomorrow. And also, what I have to tell you guys, these YouTube videos that are live, they're going to be ending in 1 week. 1 week to tomorrow, they will be ending. There will be no more live trading on YouTube. It's only going to be for members on the website. So take care, guys, and God bless.